Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 9 and I am Mohamad Faris, the first presenter. We are going to present chapter 12, which is problem solving. So, first of all, what is problem? According to Cambridge Dictionary, problems can be defined as a situation, person, or thing that need attention and need to be dealt with or solved. The cognitive psychology textbook defines problems as a situation in which you need to accomplish a goal and the solution is not immediately obvious. In this world, we cannot deny that everyone has their very own problems. However, to solve this problem, we need to have creativity. Hence, we will present to you in detail about the creative problem solving that we have discussed in our forum video, which could be helpful to solve our daily life problems. Now, let's welcome to the second presenter, Shafiqah.
Thank you, Faris. Hi, I am Shafiqah Amani and I will talk about creative problem solving. Solving a problem basically requires individuals' ability to make use of the mind in exploring ideas in order to overcome the shortcomings or obstacles to achieve the desired objective. Creative problem solving is a skill that are used by people to solve the problems. It is an association between problem solving process and creative thinking. Generally, the individual are capable to solve problems by generating creative ideas to find the most effective solutions. The focal point of creative problem solving is divergent thinking, which it is the thought process where people can generate ideas by exploring various potential solutions. They can generate ideas in a short time period, or in other words, divergent thinking is open-ended, but there are a lot of answers they can find to solve the problems. So, creative problem solving is a continuous process for the individual to process the information and produce something new or creative outcomes. In order to become a creative thinker, there are a few factors that can help them. The first one is the importance of knowledge, where people with a broad knowledge and understanding from various fields can easily develop their creativity. The knowledge they learn basically encourage them to produce answers based on the details from different fields of study. Secondly, is the environmental factors. The environment can drive a creative thinker as they have a suitable setting, for example, in education setting. An active environment may produce students that can involve in within or outside activities as they can experience different culture and express their opinion. So from there, they may think creatively in every aspect of life. Hence, creative problem solving is a process that can be achieved by different levels of thinking and ages as they can enhance their creativity as much as they want. That's all from me, Shafiqah Amani, and I will pass to the next presenter, Aimi, to explain more about this topic.
Thank you, Shafiqah. Hi, I'm Aimi. I will present the four stages of creative problem-solving process. In the forum, panel 1 have briefly stated the four stages, namely problem generation, problem formulation, problem solving, and solution implementation. Now, let us go through one by one. The first stage, problem generation, consists of two domains, which are problem finding and fact finding. At this stage, we realize the existence of a problem and try to find facts related to it. This is where we gain new information regarding the problem, which leads us to the second stage, problem formulation. This stage is divided into problem definition and idea finding. We analyze the facts that we have gained in the first stage and produce a conceptualized representation of the problem. This is the stage where we completely understand the nature of the problem and use the conceptualized knowledge of the problem as the basis for the third stage, known as the problem-solving stage. Two aspects of this stage are evaluation and selection aspect and also the planning aspect. At this stage, we use all the information gathered from previous stages to draw possible solutions for the problem. We create a plan to execute the best alternative, which can be used with available resources. The last stage is the solution implementation, which comprises of two components, namely selling ideas and taking action. At this last stage, we use our cognitive ability to test the new solution and to assess the results and modify the idea if needed. Creative problem solving process is completed at this stage where people find the best solution and act accordingly to solve the problem. In short, the stages in creative problem solving process can guide us in solving our daily life problems. That is all from me. Now I will pass to the next presenter, Nadheerah. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nadheerah, here to brief you about the techniques in creative problem solving. Firstly, brainstorming is the basic group creativity technique when it comes to generate various ideas from group members. For instance, people from different backgrounds and experiences can contribute many input by producing creative ideas to generate better output for problem solving. This technique encourages everyone to participate in a free and open environment. Of course, there is no right or wrong. Next, mind mapping is a visual diagram to organize important information by using keywords that have been summarized. There are three simple steps to draw a mind map. There are start, develop, and repeat. First, start writing something in the middle of the blank page, such as the main problem that needs to be solved. Next, develop the related topics that may be the causes for the issues by linking it with line towards the center. Lastly, repeat the process by linking to another subtopic that can be used to further explain the issue and find the solution through appropriate steps by step. Third is camper technique, which aids people to think outside of the box and increase their knowledge with the help of 7 types of questions. Substitute is finding another replacement solution without affecting the final decision. Combine is incorporating 2 ideas to find the best resolution. Adapt is bringing something to correspond with others to find best possible answer to the problem. Modify is thinking from other perspective. Put to another use is utilizing the ideas to solve another issues. Eliminate is removing any unnecessary ideas. Lastly, reverse is trying to find the solution through opposite direction. Lastly, TRIS stands for Theory of Inventive Problem Solving, which uses the functional approach to problem solving because it focuses more on logic, data, and research instead of using intuition. There are 2 main keys for TRIS methodology. The first key is generalizing problems and solutions to solve specific problem by analyzing it through TRIS database. Second, eliminating contradictions can be done by applying TRIS technology using hundreds of TRIS principles and laws, such as the laws of technical evolution and technology forecasting. That's it from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Dira. In current pandemic situation, we can see that people has been suffering tremendously in terms of economic loss and freedom to do outdoors activities. Fortunately, they are starting to accept the situation by creatively find ways to adapt with current lifestyle by finding various activities that can be done at home, whether alone or with family members. For example, as you can see through social media platform, people have been trying out new viral recipes such as dalgona coffee. Especially with the current technology, people are able to gain new knowledge and experience that can help in developing new and creative problem-solving skills. It was discovered that the availability of discrepant cues contribute to the creative problem solving because new ideas can be generated through the combination and the reorganization of extant knowledge structure by Michael D.M. 1994. So, that's all from us. Take care, stay safe, and Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.